The court is founded on the principles of law and evidence, and as such, any judgment delivered by the Presidential Election Petition Court is a result of all the evidence tendered before the court by the aggrieved parties and their ability to prove their case before the court. These are the words of legal expert Evans Ufeli, who spoke in an interview with TV360 Nigeria on the much-awaited judgment by the tribunal. According to him, the judiciary is the only point where disputes can be resolved, and whatever judgment is given by the tribunal will enhance the growth of democracy in Nigeria.
The court acted, or the court acts dispassionately on issues when they are before the court. I know that society have their sentiments. People are divided. Some are for the petitioner, some are for the respondent and all that. And sometimes criticisms are, centered around these sentiments. But the truth of the matter is that the court is not a church. The court is not a religious house. The court will not pander to the sentiments of society just so that society can be satisfied with whatever it is. The court will not look at what is in the newspaper or what is in several blogs and social media handles to reach a conclusion on a judgment. The judgment does not affect how democracy is viewed. I mean, if it will affect it, I think it will affect it positively, if that is what you mean. The judgment of a court is a decision of the court based on the outcome of the case having been a contest before the court of law. Our democratic system, we have so many issues with our electoral system, and because the issues in the electoral system have not been resolved, the judiciary is the only point of call where these disputes can be resolved. And this dispute will be resolved on the strength of justice, on what is just, fair, and what is upright. In the reasoning of the court lies the prospect of justice as the court sees it. So from the 25 states, you are going to have, these people have all been in tribunal, the cases are winding down, judgment is, date have been fixed for judgment in some of these cases and all that. And what we are going to see is that the judgment will enhance the growth of democracy.